There is a long-standing urban legend that in the final days of World War II, the Nazis hid a train filled with gold and valuables in southwest Poland. The myth claims that a train filled with artwork, gold, and other valuables was concealed in a tunnel and covered up by retreating Nazis. Despite many attempts to find the train, nobody has ever been successful. The Polish army made a full-scale investigation and search into the whereabouts of the hidden train during the Cold War, and were unable to find any evidence of the train's existence or even some suspicious railway tracks. Therefore, if a train really had been planted in a secret tunnel in southwest Poland, the railway tracks used to transport it into the tunnel must have been removed by the retreating Nazis. The urban legend of the Nazi gold train gained global media interest after two Polish men had claimed to have used ground-penetrating radar technology and found the site where it was sat. The Polish state, military, and a couple of privately funded individuals conducted a search of this site. However, the search was short-lived after the radar data was found to simply be the natural geology of the underground and not a man-made site where a train could be hidden. The story of the Nazi gold train goes a little something like this. During the last days of World War II, an armoured train operated by the Nazis left the small town of Breslau. The train arrived at Swiebodzice, but failed to reach the next station on the line, Wałbrzych. Somewhere between these two train stations, the train is believed to have been led into a system of tunnels. Some believe this would have happened around the L Mountains, since the Nazis were running a top-secret program named Project Reese, which began in 1943 and ended in 1945 with the German loss of World War II. Project Reese consisted of 7 underground structures in the L Mountains, none of which were ever completed. The unfinished structures of this project have been searched from top to bottom, once again providing no evidence of the train's existence. It was claimed that more than 330 tons of gold, jewels, artwork, and weapons were on board the train, and since the urban legend came about, not a single piece of evidence leading towards its existence has been made public. There have been numerous conspiracy theories about the missing train, with the majority believing it was all a hoax, while others believed whoever did find the train managed to do so without it becoming public.